Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about how we can configure our BurpSuite with the Android Emulator or any physical device. So let's start. First of all, we have to check the IP address over main system IP address. So I just opened the CMD. Now check the IP address. My IP address is 192.168.1.7. This is my private IP address. Now we have to go to emulator, go to setting, click on Wi-Fi, then click on this wired SSID and click on modify network. Now click on advanced option, click on proxy, and here click on manual. Now here use this IP address 192.168.1.7 and the port number 8080 or 801, any port number that you want to give. So click on save, and same IP address and port number you have to configure in BurpSuite. Click on proxy. Here I already give, but now you can click on here all interface and click on this IP address, and that's it. Just click OK and your Burp is configured. Now we have to install the SSL certificate. Okay, but one thing, remember, the port number should be same that you are using in your device and BurpSuite. Like here I use the 8080 port number, and in the emulator check again the proxy port is 8080. Okay. The port number should be same. Now open your browser and search here http:/burp. Enter, and you can see here in the right side there is a CA certificate. Click here, starting download. Yeah, it's downloaded. Download complete. Cert CA cert 3.der. Okay, so now go to download, open your file manager and go to download folder, and here you can see I just downloaded CSR 3 and 4. Okay, now you have to change it to CA DER to CER. Click on rename and change CER. Hit enter. Okay, DER to CER. Now go to setting and go to security and install from SD card, and now click on file manager just once and go to downloads, and now you can choose from here. Okay, so just select. Now here you have to set the pin, any pin you can set. Okay, now here you have to give the certificate name, any name you can give here, Burp, and credential use as a VPN or Wi-Fi, anything you can choose from here, and click on OK. That's it. So I already set up the CA certificate. I will not install it again, but this is how we install the CA certificate in the Android device. Okay, so it's installed. Now we can intercept the any request. Click browser, open any browser and intercept on. Wing.com. So here I am able to capture the HTTP request. Now let's try to capture the HTTPS request. Forward. Now I'll open google.com. google.com. Hit enter. So here you can see I am able to open the google.com. Okay, so this is how we set up or how we configure the BurpSuite with the Android device. So now if you have any application, you can check the application also. So this is the application. I don't know the SSL pinning is implemented or not, but first of all the root is implemented. Okay, so we have to bypass the root, then we can check this application. But that's it in this video. Just we learn how we can set up the BurpSuite with the Android device. That's it, guys.